So working through the apichallenges.herokuapp.com, and remember to watch previous videos if you want to see how to get started. This challenge is a delete challenge. So I need to issue a delete request on a to-do that exists. So first of all, I want to issue a get request on to-dos to see what to-dos are actually in the system. So I can see here a to-do with an ID of 62. So I'm going to try and delete that. Now I already have a request to get specific to-dos. So what I'll do is I'll duplicate one of those and to-do ID, and I'll call this delete to get started and create that. So now I know which one I'm amending, and the to-do I want to delete was 62. So if I put 62 up here in the URL and change this to a delete. Now there's no body sent through with delete, it's only the headers that are important, and the only header that's really important is one we're adding, which is the X challenger, so we can track requests. So if I send this request through now, which is going to delete to do item 62, we see 200. Now, how do I know it's deleted? Well, if I go into the get to-dos and look at the list of items there, 62 is no longer present, so we managed to delete the to-do item. And in the challenges, because I passed through the X challenger good, we should have passed that challenge now. If you want to work through the challenges yourself, you can find all the information you need at EvilTester.com/API challenges. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you're kept up to date with any of the videos we release showing API challenges or APIs in general or testing in general. We have a lot of content here. Subscribe to the channel and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.